Hello! We are here today with the Sesame Street Super 7 figures of Big Bird. And this is Big Bird of multi-variants, basically his counterparts across the different regions throughout the world. Now, I do not know each of their names. I have seen them before, so I'm going to go ahead and start opening these up. And basically, once I get a full set, I'll stop. And then what I usually do is just give these away to friends and family for all the remainder. But either way, we're going to get a full set, maybe a few. And I'm excited to see what they all look like. So without further ado, let's get this box going. So we get a beautiful looking box. Look at this. Look at that. All right. So, all right, the first one. I'm going to go ahead and hold one up. All right, so what options we have is Pino from the Netherlands, Poupas from Portugal, Minik Kuş from Turkey, Abelardo, I'm so horrible, from Mexico, and then we have a mystery. So let's go ahead and start opening them and see what they're like, okay? Ooh, these are so nice. I feel bad ripping them open all the time, but I mean, it's part of why we're here, right? All right, let's see. Drum roll for the first one, and it is Pino. Look how nice that looks. You can see the feathers on top, the back. The face is really what sells it for this one. So that looks great. Where can we put them where we can see them? Let's put them right here. Okay, great. So as with everything, we take this and we throw it. Next one. Which one do we think is going to be next? Probably Poupas from Portugal, hopefully. Let's see. Oh, these are so cool. Hey, I was right. It's Poupas from Portugal. See its face, and then it has a nice tail. Really purple and blues. Yeah, looks pretty good. Put that right there. Third one. Let's see. I forgot to throw this. Let's say this is Minik Kuş. Please correct me with the right pronunciation. I don't pronounce regular English names right, so who's to say I was going to do these well? Ooh, that was right. Wow, looks good. These are going to look really good together. Oh no, oh no! I'm so sorry. They're sturdy, but nothing can withstand clumsiness. All right, let's see. So we need Abelardo. So hopefully it's this one. And then if we get the mystery, we're just going to end and we'll give the rest off. But if not, I will go through every box that I need to in order to get the mystery. Oh, we got a dupe. Pino, we got a dupe. It's a dupe. We'll just line them up. That's okay. Next one. Let's see what we get. All right, what are we going to get? Come on. Seriously, is Big Bird the mystery? Seriously? This is the mystery, guys. Just Big Bird. Like, do you know how many Big Birds I have from the other sets? It's an absurd amount. I thought I was going to get away this time without getting any more, but oh well. What are you going to do? All right, now we just need Abelardo. Oh my gosh. Abelardo. All right, this is for the win, and it is not. Oh my gosh, it's another Pino from the Netherlands. This might be an inconsistent box where you get a million of one and like hardly any of the others. All right, so put him in there. He's in the lead. Let's open up this middle one. Come on, come on. Which one is it? I didn't see it. Ah, it's another Minik Kuş. I'm not even holding it up. I'm just lining them up. All right, wait. We forgot to throw that one, and I forgot to throw this one. Come on, we got to get a whole set. If we don't get a whole set, I'm going to just cry a little. Hey, we got him. He's the most festive one. Oh my gosh. Abelardo. Abelardo. Really nice sculpt on the face. There's the tail and then the feet. Looks pretty good. All right, so we finally got a whole set. We got all 5. Now, I did say I was going to stop because I could, like, give them out. I could sell them. I could do whatever. But, like, I'm kind of disappointed that the mystery is Big Bird. So I kind of want to keep going just to see if there are any other mysteries in here. So let's just do that. I mean, I can still give them away if they're open, so it's totally fine. Didn't buy a whole box for nothing. Oh, we got another Minik Kuş. So that means we have 3 left. And I'm saying that we're going to get 2 more of Poupas from Portugal. And probably 1 more Big Bird. So let's see what we get. Okay, come on, let's get a special mystery. Oh, I forgot about this one. I was like, oh, the map's going to equal out, and it's not. So we got another Abelardo from Mexico. Please tell me how to say that. I'm so horrible. Abelardo. That's how you say it, right? All right, so this one has to be Poupas. I still can't believe Big Bird was the special. Yep, see? We got another Poupas. These actually look really cool all together. I might just keep them all and be stingy and greedy. It's not standing. All right, last one. We didn't take a look at the box. The box is really nice. There's all the examples. It's a nice box. It's a nice box that we open up and then ultimately throw. One more look at the box. This is the last box. I just did that for the thumbnail. All right, drum roll, please. Is it Big Bird or is it another mystery? Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. It is not. It is another Poupas. So there you go. This is the family of what we got. Let's take a closer look. Here they are, row by row. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you like my videos, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and we will go ahead and see you next time. Thank you.